Hi, last week I bought a 2-in-1 750 watt soldering station on Aliexpress during the 11th of 11th sale. So I bought it with a store in Spain, so it means that only 6 days later I got the package already delivered. So if you would like to buy also a soldering station over there after seeing this review, you'll find the link in the descriptions below. And this is the package, so let's see what's inside. So we unpacked everything. We have the soldering station, hot air gun, base station, 3 nozzles for the hot air gun, 4 screws to mount the base station towards your workbench, and a stand for the iron. So let's start with the base station. So you see you have 2 different sides. The left one is for the soldering iron, the right one for the hot air gun, each which with its own temperature control, minus and plus. And for the hot air gun you also have the fan, which gives you a value from 1 to 10 for the speed of the fan. See later that. So you have also the 2 connectors. One is a 3-pin, that's the one for the soldering iron, and an 8-pin for the hot air gun, so you cannot miss anything. On the back you have the plate to mount it to your workbench, and on the left side you have your power plug and 2 separate power switches, one the top for the soldering station and the right for the hot air gun. So let's plug this in and let's plug the soldering iron and the hot air gun in. So let's start with the hot air gun, 3-pin connector, so you cannot miss. There is also a small lip in the connector. Also you have the bubble over here, so you cannot put it wrong in, just screw it tight. Let's take the hot air gun. Also it's an 8-pin connector, the same with the little slide in it, so you cannot place it wrong. So let's take the middle one. You need a little bit a twist. You see here, I don't know if you can see it correctly on the camera, but it's a slight groove in it, and you have a little bump over here, and so you cannot push it on, but you need to twist it a little bit. So that's the hot air gun stand. It comes with some, you know it's hard, and if you put some water on it, voila, it swells and you can start soldering. The only thing what I'm a little bit missing is you have a nice stand for your hot air gun. I'm missing a little bit, to place the hot iron there. So let's put on the soldering iron. We can choose the temperature over here. Also a nice feature, if you turn it off and back on, he will remember the value you put in. So that's for the soldering iron, and for the hot air gun it's the same. You see it start wrapping up, and when you push the set button for the fan, you can lower it to 1 or back up. Nice features if you place it over here. In around 20 seconds it will go down. You see it already going down in temperature, and it will turn it off automatically. So if you wait a little bit longer, it will turn the hot gun off, which is, I think, is a nice feature. If you put it against the wall, you can just hang your hot air gun back, and it will turn it off itself off. You see, it's still getting those lines over there, so you know it's still active, but it's not on for the moment. If you put it out, it starts directly again. So that were the main parts and features of the GDC soldering station. For only 35 euros, if you buy it now, you will get a very decent station, capable of soldering everything. If you like my video and want to see more in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later.